Welcome back. This is Greg French. Today I want to talk about computer tech employment, some of the certifications, and some of the pathways. Security right now is really hot. Computer technology, it's just not going away. It's getting more and more involved in every aspect of life, and the need for technicians is probably never going to decrease. It just keeps getting stronger and stronger. Lots of opportunity. I want to talk about some of the certifications that are key to employment today. College is important, but the employers right now are actually putting more importance on certifications because certifications actually validate skills and abilities, and the employers know with certain certifications they can put you to work right away. One of the first ones I'd like to talk about is the CompTIA A+ Certified IT Technician. This is one of the first certifications that most employers are looking for. This is vendor neutral, so it's not dependent on Microsoft or Cisco or anything else. Microsoft, Cisco, and all the big companies feed in to CompTIA, telling them what they're looking for in a certified technician. So they come up with a vendor neutral certification exam. You have to take it through a testing company or testing school. Usually Pearson VUE is the company that you'll contact. You'll have to pay a fee using your credit card, and they will give you a time and date of your choosing at usually a location which is just usually within a mile or two of your home. Easy to set up. You go in, they put you in front of a computer, take your phone, anything else away from you, and let you go on the computer for an hour or so in answering anywhere between 50 to 60 to 70 questions. Usually multiple choice. Sometimes some of the questions are virtual, take you into a piece of equipment that you have to configure. That's usually on the Cisco side, but virtual online questions are becoming very popular. It really makes sure that you understand the principles of configuration of some of the technology. The next one I'd like to talk about is the Network Plus, getting the A+ certified cert, and then going, I would say the second one would probably be the Network Plus. You need to really understand computer technology, and then you need to understand the networking side of how those computers are connected together, how they communicate, what it takes, what the equipment is involved, and what are some of the technologies and software that are involved in getting that to communicate. These two certifications can start you anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000 and even more depending on your experience. But you're going to be starting off at least $15 to $20 an hour. The demand is very, very high right now, and it's not going to back off. Another pathway that you might choose would be either the Microsoft pathway or the Cisco. The Cisco CCNA would be the first certification on the Cisco side that you would pursue. This starts off the first semester pretty much just a quick review of the computer technology and networking. The second semester is real heavy on networking. Then the third and fourth semester you're working in a wide area or a local area network connecting to a wide area network. Goes quick. There's 4 semesters for this. You do not have to take the classes. You can study this online or with a book and get these. Cisco, again, is very well recognized, very valuable. The other side of the pathway would be the Microsoft Certified Professional. They have lots of certifications, and any one that you complete, you'll be considered a certified Microsoft professional, no matter if that's Windows 7, Windows 8, Server, or whatever their cert is. Continuing on, VMware now on the virtual side is becoming very, very important, very popular. Certified Professional, the VCP, is a very highly desired cert. Most of those jobs are paying somewhere around $80,000 plus per year. Usually the VMware class is put on by VMware, and it's fairly expensive. It's week long. Usually for somebody that's not familiar with VMware software, it would be very challenging to get through it because it's 8 hours a day for 5 days. I would prefer, and I've just completed a class through a community college. They have some classes that are certified by VMware to allow you to take that VCP cert, but you have to complete a class to be qualified to take the cert. Again, it's very valuable. A lot of industry professionals are pursuing that. One of the last certs that you might consider is the CISSP. This is for security. Usually requires 5 years of security experience, but it's pretty much the gold standard as far as the security professionals. Right now we're seeing a huge demand for security professionals. So any of the security certs that you might obtain would be very, very helpful. This is a chart. If you look at the top here, the first two certs that I would recommend is the A Plus and the Network Plus. And again, these are pretty much entry-level certs that are vendor neutral. And just the A Plus alone could probably start you at $30,000 or more. Along with the Network Plus, you're looking at $30,000 to $40,000 to begin with. Getting the CompTIA Security Plus and the A Plus and the Network Plus, they call that the triad for DoD. And you can work at any DoD installation, and they usually start at about $60,000. So just these three certs can get you started at a very good job. The Cisco track is on the left side here, starting off with the CCNA, then the CCNP, the professional, and then the CCIE here at the bottom. The Cisco security, which you should pursue after the CCNP or even before, again, is very highly regarded and very valuable. And then you end up, if you continue with the Cisco track, the CCIE, which is the Internet Expert. That generally is $100,000 plus. Coupled with the CISSP, these are kind of the two gold standards that if you get these two, you're really in the stratosphere. The Microsoft side here, the MCP, the Microsoft Certified Professionals, where you start. You could pursue the MCSE, the System Engineering, or the database. Oracle has a Oracle Certified Master certification, very valuable in industry, or Microsoft has the DBA, which is another database administrator certification. Again, database is very important, a little challenging, but very, very high rewards. The inside track here, the Linux, Unix, we need lots of administrators for Linux, Unix. Linux is very, very popular. It's not as vulnerable to viruses like the Microsoft products, so it is highly used and widely used on the internet because of that. Most of the internet sites, over 80% of them, are run using Linux. So Linux Unix administrator is very, very, very valuable. The VMware, the VCP, again, highly desired. Again, 70,000 to 80,000. You can see the side over here what the salary ranges are, and this is pretty current. They could be off $10,000, either high or low. This is just kind of a ballpark figure of what you should expect. Again, this is a chart. Hopefully this can kind of give you some guidance and help. There is a lot of different pathways, but these are some of the more popular ones that I've outlined here. Again, CompTIA is where it all begins. I would consider going for the CompTIA A Plus certified to kind of get started. Again, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.